Today, for my science experiment, I will be using a purple cabbage as a pH indicator to show whether a household product is an acid or base, as well as how acidic or basic it is, based on how much the color changes. Think of acids and bases as opposites. Bases have a high pH, such as bleach, dish soap, baking soda, and toothpaste. Water, which is neutral, has a pH level of 7 on a scale of 0 to 14, while acids have a low pH, such as pop, juice, tomato juice, lemon juice, or other juices. An indicator is typically a chemical that changes color if it comes in contact with an acid or a base. Purple cabbage juice turns red when it mixes with something acidic and turns blue when it mixes with something basic. Purple cabbage juice is considered to be an indicator because it shows us something about the chemical composition of other substances. For this experiment, the materials that I used were 1 head of red cabbage, a sharp knife, a pot to boil water in, you can also use a blender, a strainer or colander, measuring cup or another container to pour with, clear cups, something to stir with, household liquids to test, such as vinegar, baking soda, toothpaste, juices, soaps, bleach, milk, ketchup, carbonated drink, or anything else you want. On the left, I have placed bases, such as bleach, soap, toothpaste, baking soda, and milk. In the middle, I placed water, and to the right, acids, such as club soda, juice, Fanta, ketchup, vinegar, and lemon juice. To begin, arrange your materials in the order that you think they might be. Cut up the cabbage, bring water to boil, add the cabbage and let it simmer until the water turns purple. Sieve the cabbage and let it cool. Let's test the substances. Bases should turn blue, except for bleach, which has a pH level of 12 and should remain clear because it is such a strong base. Acids should turn pink or red. What will happen when we add the red cabbage pH indicator? Oops, we used hand soap instead of dish soap. Apparently, hand soap is an acid as it turned pink. Let's replace it with green dish soap. This liquid soap turns blue. Let's see what happens to baking soda and toothpaste. Toothpaste and baking soda also turn blue. But milk turns a light purplish pink, which means it is actually slightly acidic. After resting for 30 seconds, you can see that the bleach is back to its original clear color, showing it to be a strong base. The dish soap is a darker blue. Let's try water. If it is neutral, it should be a bright purple. It is! Now, let's test the acidic substances. They should stay or change pink or red. Club soda is a purple pink, so it is slightly acidic. The juice does not lighten it at all, so it is acidic, and the Fanta turns from orange to pink. The ketchup stays red, and the clear vinegar and lemon juice turn red. Cabbage is a great pH indicator. Let's try a few bonus experiments. What do you think? Is hand sanitizer a base or an acid? Will it turn blue or red? It turns purple, showing that it is neutral, like water. Let's mix a strong acid, such as lemon juice, with a strong base, such as bleach. Will they neutralize and turn purple? The bleach remains the same because it is such a strong base. Let's try one more. What will happen when I mix a base, baking soda, which is blue, with an acid, such as vinegar, which is pink. We get a purple volcano eruption. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about how to make a pH indicator using red cabbage.